Hello, Miss Kay here for our trumpet lesson, or our playing together. I hope you've been playing the tunes that we've been talking about. So we've been doing the saints, some scales, some slurs. Last week we started talking about Big Mama, so we'll do that one today, and we're also going to do another tune from the jazz book, the one next to the saints, which is Idaho. So, always a good idea to start with some short and long notes. So we're going to play some very short notes. The word for that is staccato. Staccato notes. So, ta. So, play me an E, short. Play me A. Upper, B. Low C. E. D. F. F sharp. G. Low B. Low A, F, G, B, C, B flat, low B flat. Do you remember C sharp with all our fingers down? Here we go. Whoa, let's do that one again. So if you could do all of the notes that you know nice and short like that, that's brilliant. Try and pitch them better than I did just then. Let's play some long notes, same thing, but we're going to play them for longer. So you're going to think about your sound, thinking of a straight line. Make sure you breathe through your mouth before we start. Let's play E, nice and long. F sharp. Low B. F. A. B flat. B natural, middle finger. Upper C, big breath. Great. Play a scale of C with me. Here we go. Now, can you get your sheet with the scales? We've got A Dorian that we know. A Dorian has F sharp in the key signature. Let's do it. A Dorian. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Last week we looked at the B flat being in the mixolydian on C, the next scale, which looks just like C major that we played a second ago, but instead of our normal B or B natural, it has B flat, and that gives it a more jazzy sound. That seventh note is flattened, the B flat. So let's do C mixolydian. 1, 2, 3, 4. To get used to the sound of that because it sounds different from the major scale. Now that brings us on to F major, the next scale, which is F up to C using the same B flat, all the way down to low C, just like coming down the mixolydian, and then going back up and finishing on F, which is our home note. And the reason why we have the B flat is to make it sound right, because F is our home note. It's not like C major, this is F major. So let's try this one. Slightly unusual zigzaggy kind of shape. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. So that's a new sound. I really want that one to be good by the time I see you next time. Next time we're going to look at these pentatonic scales. on your sheet. You can have a look at them already if you want to. At the very bottom you've got your arpeggio, which you know already from the Teen Brass page 28. So remember, your scales can help you get through all of these tunes because the tunes are based on the same notes. So when the Saints Go Marching In has got B flat in the key signature, so that's based on your F scale that we just practiced. Now looking at Idaho, this has got a G, an F sharp in the key signature, but I don't think it uses F sharp anywhere in the tune. No, it doesn't. But it does have the B natural, a normal B. So let's look at Idaho. This pattern at the beginning is quite easy once you get it the right way around. And in bar 5, 6, in bar 7, you've got a quaver rest near the end, So don't jump into that last B until you've kind of taken a breath. So bar 6 goes da, 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 da. There's a gap. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I'll play it. This is bar 6 and 7, the second line of Idaho. From the second bar of the second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you feel that little gap there? A quaver rest. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice that rhythm. Listen to me play along. You'll soon get used to it. This is in swing, just like the Saints Go Marching In was in swing. So the other thing to do with your scales is to practice them swing. Do, be, do, be, do, be, do. So if we played G, A, B, C, if we just do G, A, B in a swing kind of thing, or just on one note, do, be, do, be, do. That's the rhythm for Idaho, really. So I'm going to play it from the first, well, the head. The head goes twice. It's very easy, actually, because you've got the tune, and then you've got the tune again. It comes in on beat 3 of the last bar at the top line. Don't miss that last note on the top line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Same again. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Then we have some bars rest where we listen to the backing, remember. After that we play the tune again, and then we have some space for improvising. As before, we can use the notes they've given us, D, E and G, on the first line, and the second line's given us B, A, G. Now of course what you can do with this tune is to put the track on and just practice improvising across the whole track. Forget playing the tune. Do that as a separate exercise. Just practice improvising. I'm going to put the track on. It's quite fast, so we're not going to play the tune yet, but I'm going to improvise and leave some gaps for you as well. You can either copy what I do, or you can try and make up your own thing. Remember to be creative with the rhythm. Do, be, do, be, do. Ta, 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 ta. Start with long notes if you like, but then try to put some rhythm in. Here we go.
One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Introduction. Okay, my turn, and then your turn. Here I go. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end. So keep practicing Idaho with the track, without the track, improvising with the track and no tune, and then eventually you can start to put it all together. Keep going with that one. Keep going with Big Mama as well. Let's just remind you of Big Mama. I'm just going to play it, and if you think you've got it, I'm going to play it really slowly actually, so you can try and join in if you've been practicing. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, it's based on just those notes from the last line or the first line, whichever, going up, going down. Only 5 notes in it, a pentatonic scale. And up a C. So keep practicing, keep playing, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.